In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Truist Mobile Banking login error. So if you're trying to log into Truist Mobile Banking but if you're facing the error, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the poor internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. But still, if you're facing the error, it might be because you provided the wrong credentials. So make sure to provide the correct login credentials. If you think you've forgotten the login credentials, in that case, what you can do is simply tap on this option, forgot user ID or password. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here, forgot user ID, reset password. So if you've forgotten the user ID, you can tap on this option, forgot user ID, or if you want to reset the password, tap on this option, reset password. Now you can see over here, this option will open in a new browser. Now you'll have to fill in the details in order to reset your password. First of all, enter the email address associated with your account. Also enter the last 5 digits of your SSN, EIN or ITIN. Now after you do that, also enter your user ID over here. Once you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, the direction for resetting your password will be sent to your email address. Simply reset your password and try logging in again. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the cache of the application. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, open the app library of your device, find the application for Truist and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Truist Mobile Banking app. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on this option, storage and cache, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your problem should be fixed. But if you're still facing the error, in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting the device. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. A simple restart can fix the temporary software glitches, so your problem can be solved. So these are basically the ways to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Truist Mobile Banking login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.